Hi juniors, welcome to week 10 of Computer Systems and Programming. I hope you had a wonderful winter break. We are going to head back into Python and start coding. Hopefully you didn't forget everything that you learned the past couple of weeks. But this time we're going to be focusing on loops. And you have an activity prompt that is called the FizzBuzz loop activity. Essentially what you'll be doing is you'll have a range of numbers from 0 to 1,000. And you are going to print off all of those numbers. But there are certain things that will print off differently. So if the number is a factor of 3 and 4, it'll print off the word FizzBuzz. And if the factor is just a factor of 3, then it's going to print off fizz. If it's just a factor of 4, it'll print off buzz. So your range of numbers will start off 0, 1, 2, fizz, buzz, and then it'll continue on until 12, where it'll print off fizz, buzz. That's a point, I think. Yes. So that is your activity prompt for this week. Additionally, you will be having a weekly quiz. Again, as usual, that's going to review what will be covered in the lesson and then potentially stuff that we already covered before. And so those are both in Canvas, which I will show you. So under your module for week 10, you have your start page, which will include a separate video for the lesson on loops, and then it will have your activity prompt, which is the FizzBuzz activity, and then your quiz. Oh, I forgot to go over this. So in a separate video, we'll be doing the lesson. We'll be reviewing the for loop that we already covered in week 9. We'll go further into loops by talking about while loops, and then we'll review some conditional statements to do these loops. So that should be really fun. And that's all I have for you this week. Are there any questions? Yes.
So we watch the video to learn more about loops, and then we have to do the FizzBuzz loop problem on our own.
So similar structure to as we had before, where we had a separate lesson video, and then this video just kind of talks through everything you need to do. Everything in that other video should be enough for you to do the activity. It'll go over conditional statements, which we covered 2 lessons ago, and then it'll also introduce a few built-in features of Python, such as range and length, just to do these loops, but everything will help you do your FizzBuzz activity. Yes.
Would it help if I'm not remembering a lot about Python to go back and watch those lesson videos and also look at my cheat sheet for Python?
Yes, I think it would be really helpful if you watch the videos again if there's something that comes up and you're like, I feel like we talked about this, but maybe I don't remember it. Those videos are there for you to access again and review. Otherwise, you can ask questions. Yes.
Are you going to give us the solutions to the week 9 activity?
Yes, but unlike before, when I provided you a video, it'll just be the code with comments, so you can just read through them and kind of go line by line. Okay, awesome. So good luck with programming this week. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or ask your classmates. Have a good week.